Well, it's day 26 of the 2025 Lather Games. I just listened to the podcast. If dry shaving, and that was lawnmower sweat, by the way, not water. If dry shaving with the Mortine would have gotten me DQ'd from the self-care challenge, definitely this would. I'm shaving today with Glitch. This gave me frag burn so bad last year, it lit up my face like a fireball. So we're gonna use it today. Along with some Lustre Spice and Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb. Good stuff. Seriously, there is so much cinnamon oil in this. I shaved with it last year, or so, a week or so before the Lather Games. Lit up my face. I messaged Talent Soap Factory, and he pulled it off of his shelf, got rid of it. He says, man, if that does that to somebody, I don't want it to do it to everybody. So this stuff is no more. But I got it. I should have got rid of it, but I didn't. And here we go. I can feel it burning already. I don't even know what razor I'm going to use. We'll go with the Bakelite Handle Tech. Dorco Titan blade. And this is, whew, my face is on fire. Check that out. Second pass, we gotta do it. Gotta go for a second pass. I mean, the soap base is pretty amazing, and it's a vegan base. And maybe it could compete with the, well, maybe it could fill the absence of Southern Witchcrafts. I think this is a really good base. And this is what Frag Burn looks like, boys and girls. I will never be using this soap again. As much as I love the base, I have others. Have a great day.